So, hello and welcome back to the Digital Ventures Seminar. I would love to welcome Susanne Schorsch on our digital stage today.
All of the entrepreneurs that I know and all the investors I know have learned in the last 18 months that we have to develop and collaborate things in a different way. So I think these times are crazy exciting. So my motto really is, if you can't invent the future, the next best thing is to fund it. And you're in Switzerland, you're in an incredibly good ecosystem. This is because, the world has recognized that there's a lot of beautiful, very, very high quality startups coming out of Switzerland. Today's entrepreneurs have a lot of options, for launching their business and scaling their business. And I can just encourage you, even if you're a very charismatic person or a good speaker, have a good pitch deck. For me, due diligence really is, I study the problem and the need the company is trying to address.
I've heard kind of the pros of it, you have money to balance, but then what are the cons of it that might make it more dangerous or not?
What exactly means venture fund valuation model?
Coming from Matteo, he asked in the chat, at which stage does it make sense to move from seed stage to A stage?
If you have a lot of investors competing to give you money, the better the valuation will be.
Thank you so much. Welcome, Pascal.
Yes, hello, everyone. I'm excited to be here.
So you will be talking about company founding in Switzerland.
So do it, have the courage. All the legal and tax matters, they are easily to overcome. First, think of 4 basic items, which I listed here as an agenda item. How you're gonna protect your idea, because it's the most valuable thing you have. Your unique business idea is actually your treasury, your value chest. What is your idea? Define it. Did you do it by yourself? Did you get some help?
I've got a question. What if we don't come up with an idea in a garage, but in a university course, for example?
Are there any differences if you're a foreigner or a non-EU person?
Is an NDA enough to protect your idea when discussing it with someone?
Don't make big decisions under pressure. Define your red lines when you start negotiate with investors. So have your corporate files, have your founding documents at hand, and go to a professional who is willing to help you.
There are a lot of compliments, Pascal, in the chat.
Oh, thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Next time, hopefully present.